Assalamu alaikum and welcome to free Adobe After Effects animation course. In last class we talk about types of keyframes and how to use graphs editor to smooth the animation. In today's class we will talk about layer system in After Effects. So let's get started. When you open the After Effects you can see a composition panel. In composition panel, anything in the composition is available in the layer panel. This is the layer panel. You can see timeline window is divided into two parts. One part is showing the time and the other part will show the layers. So for more explanation I will draw some circles and rectangles to show what I'm talking about. I will select this rectangle tool in the tool menu and draw a rectangle. As soon as I draw the rectangle, you can see a layer has been created here. So this layer is showing this rectangle. When I click a circle and I draw a circle, you can see another layer is available. So this layer is showing rectangle and this layer is showing circle. Anything in the composition is also available in the layer window in the form of layers. So there are different properties of the layers. I will define some of them. As you hover on the icon of the property, you can see the writing of description of this icon. So this is the 3D layer. If you click this button, this circle is now in 3D. It is showing like 2D, but it has properties of 3D. For example, if you click on if you open the transform, you can see three properties of every value. For example, if you see position, this is the x value, this is the y value, and this is the z value of the position property. So now it is 3D. If you turn off, you can see only two values are available. But if you turn on, you will see a third value also. That means it is now the 3D object. So I will turn off this because we are working in 2D. I will turn it off. And the next is adjustment layer. We will use this property in video editing too. This is the motion blur. This icon is this feature is used when you want to show motion blur in objects. So these are some main properties. From here you can turn on some modes. I will not explain because we will not use them very much. Okay, so and the most important is this parent and link. This spiral icon, this is parent and link icon. If you drag this icon and drop on the lower layer, this means this layer is the child of this layer. Okay, if you move this layer automatically follow it. For example, this is the rectangle. I will rename it rectangle, and this is the circle. If now circle is child of rectangle because I drag and drop this on here. Now circle is child of rectangle. If I move the circle, child will automatically follow it. You see. But if you move the circle, rectangle will not follow because rectangle is parent. Child follow the parent. Parent does not follow the child. Okay. So circle is child, rectangle parent. So parent move, child also move. You can also drag and drop this layer to this circle. Now circle is parent and rectangle is child. So this function was very important, so this is why I explained it. Next thing I will explain is the transform. If you open this arrow and open, you will see two values. From here you will open transform. These are some properties that you can animate. You can see the stopwatch icon. Anything with the stopwatch icon can be animated. Okay, So I will delete the circle, and now this is the rectangle. We will turn on all the icons. We will turn on all the keyframes. You can see 4 keyframes on 4 values. 5 keyframes on 5 values are available now. So if you go to 2 seconds and change any value, I will change anchor point value. Okay, so now if you play, you can see a small animation. If you change position value, you can see. If we change scale means size of the rectangle or anything. If you change scale and change the rotation, and we will leave the opacity for now. Now let's play. These are transform properties of the layer. Every layer have these properties, so you can animate them properly. Here I will also explain one thing. If you see this line, I am animating this rectangle, but the curve is being shown away from the rectangle because the anchor point of this rectangle is here. We want to change the anchor point position from here to center of the rectangle. So for this there is a shortcut key. You will press Y, and from here you can drag and drop the rectangle in the center. Remove the keyframe of the anchor point. Now I will animate. See, now you can see this animation. It's a very simple animation. You can modify the keyframe to make this animation more nice. You can also change the key graph editor. So if you play, see, in start it's fast. Okay, we will modify it a little bit more. In the next video, we will make a simple but interesting animation. So make sure to watch this video also. In this video, I just explained the layers and how you can parent-child the layers, and what you can do with the transform properties of the layers. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.